Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So who all are new to my channel, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Okay, so let's talk about today topic is AWS Backup. Okay, so this is centralized, managed, and automate the data protections. Okay, so what are the benefits from the backup? Okay, so here is the details how it is going to be work. Okay, so what are the services we can take the backup, restore it, monitor it, can able to configure it if we required any reports. These are all that is possible. And here is a use cases. So this is a cloud native backup tool. Okay. Hybrid data protections also. Data protection campaigns, centralized data protection. Okay. All the use cases you can able to use it. Okay. If we need the uh, FAQs. Okay. So if you have any questions, you can come and you can verify it. Okay. So let's jump into the topic. Okay. So let me go to the backup, AWS backup. Okay. So what I'm going to do today, okay. So I have a EC2 machine. Okay. I wanted to take a backup. Okay. So how to take a backup and how to restore it. So this is what we are going to learn about today's topic. Okay, let's so how to create backup and a restore. Okay. So let's talk about today's. Okay, let me come to here. So I have a server. Okay, as of now it is up and running. So now I will go to the AWS backup. Okay. So if you come to here, so there is a dashboard here. Okay. Now there is a three options you can able to see it here. Okay. So one is for backup plan, on demand, and framework. Okay. So now I'm going for on demand. Okay, because I want a data backup right away. Later we'll talk about backup plan. Okay. So let me go to the create a backup. So what are the resources you require, you want to backup it. So from here you will get all the details. So I'm going to talk about EC2 and which are the instance. Okay, we can mention it here. So my instance name is server. Okay. If you want to customize it, you can able to customize it. So when you wanted to take the backup, everything. So right now I want backup as of now. Okay. So that should be available retention 35 days, or you can make it as a 0. It will not take it. So 1. Okay. And so here is a backup award. Okay. By default, it is already there. Okay. If you want any new plan, the backup part, you can create it. And I'm not going to change any IAM role. Okay. I'll just create a on-demand backup here. Okay. So once we create it, okay. So it will come here. Okay. It is showing that running. Okay. So this will take some time. Okay. So in the meantime, what we can do, we'll come back to the AMI. Okay. So if you're able to see it, the AMI, it is already pending. Okay. So this will take some time. Okay. So let's wait for till that. Okay. The status, it is still it is showing. Let's wait for that. And in the meantime, we can able to log into my instance. Let's see that. Okay. Because after restoration also we need to verify it. Okay. So df-h, okay, lsplk. This is going to be shows all the volumes and partitions, disk, everything. So let's clear it. Let's come to here. Let's refresh it. And from here also we can verify it. It is still it is pending. And in the meantime, okay, so let it be created. Okay, let's come to here. So I'm going to create a backup plan. Okay, how to create a backup plan. Okay, so here they have already mentioned backup plan, specify the backup schedule, backup rotation rules and life cycle for the your backups. Okay, so now I'm going to create a backup plan. Okay, and I'm going with 35 days. Okay, or 1 year, anything is fine. You can just select it, or if you want any define or you want to create a new one, you can create it. I'll use the default one. I'll mention it as a daily backup. Okay, okay, from here, and from here I'm going to select the daily backup details. Let's create a plan, and from here it will ask again resource assignment name, and the role I'm selecting by default. Okay, include all resource type or include specific resource. Okay, I'm going to use it specific because I don't want all. Okay, so I'm going to select it ec2, and I will be selecting particular. If you want, you can select the anyone, assign the resource. Okay, so this is how we can able to create a backup plan also. So let's come to here. So the backup is completed here if you're able to see it. Okay, so let's come to the year. Okay, let me verify it here also. It is available. Okay, now the backup is completed. Okay, I wanted to restore it. Okay, so there is option called restore here. Okay, and select the by default all the details. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. Okay, I'll just restore the backup. So maybe this will take some time. Let's verify. Restoration also it may take some time. See the server, it is already pending. Just refresh it here. My other EC2 machine still it is running. Okay, let's try to connect here. So from here you can just mention EC2 hyphen user. Okay, TF hyphen H LSBLK. Okay, top. Okay, everything it seems working fine. Okay, so this is how we can able to take the backup, restore the servers. Okay, so that is all about today's topic. If you want to cover it more on the other services, please let us know so that I'm going to cover it. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe my channel. Please hit the bell icon. Okay, thanks everyone. Bye.